Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, September 19, 2022. Last week was a bearish week for the markets. We closed down at the lows of the week on Friday, closing down the lowest closing price of the week on Friday. And this morning we are continuing lower in the overnight session as we are ready to start a fresh week, an FOMC announcement week. That'll be out Wednesday this week. And what we're going to be looking at this morning is what has happened historically on Mondays following a close at a 5-day low. So let me go ahead and get this set up. We've got all four instruments selected here. The setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading lower in the overnight session. So from the opening filters library, I'm going to click on gap down. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. And I'm going to go to the active today, which is telling you what is true for today's session, what happened on the prior session that's going to be applicable for today. And I'm going to go to the new lows section. I'm going to click this day after a 5-day low. Since it's a Monday, that's going to mean that the prior session closed at the low of the week. And then I'm going to go to the indicators library. I'm going to say the prior session closed below a 200-day simple moving average. I'll grab that from the active today. And lastly, the calendar library. I'm going to make this a Monday specifically. So I'm going to hit equals there next to Monday. You could also grab that from active today. And now click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping down on a Monday and the prior session closed at the lowest closing price of the past 5 days and below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 44 samples here in the S&P, 37 in the NASDAQ, 40 in the Dow, 40 in the Russell. Win rates on these coming in a bit weak across the board. S&P coming in at 43% of these closing above the opening print for the session. For the NASDAQ, it's only 35%. The Dow, 55%, and the Russell, 38%. So 3 of the 4 are weak on the win rates. If we look at the average moves, S&P has a larger move to the downside. The NASDAQ has a larger move to the upside. Dow, larger move to the downside. And Russell, larger move to the upside. So very mixed there on which way the average moves were larger. But 3 of the 4 of these instruments have fairly weak win rates. So a little bit weaker as a group. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.